embarrass yourself by having like 7 cameras recording everything you're doing. Oh, we got an engine fire. There you go. Another reason to grab an RS3 instead of a Commodore and do it up. Fewer engine fires. Should be good. Got him! Yeah. Did it launch control engage? Did launch control engage? Alright, we'll have a chat back there. Well, there you go. What's faster than a stage 1.75 RS3? Completely stock RS3. It's all about the launch. He was catching me easy in the straights. Like obviously there was not a chance I was going to have him in the long run, but once you get the launch, that's it, game over. Give it a rev. Okay, take 2. This time I'm running slightly lower tyre pressures, 30 psi all round. Chris is going to put his into sport mode so he can get launch control. He did really well considering he didn't launch. He was only right behind, like just behind me. Here we go. Alright, now the secret is beat Chris to the line so you can get his timings off the lights. Let's see what we can do here. Ding, okay, and then ding. Oh, you're not doing it. I forgot to hit goddamn traction control. Pressure. I know. I let the tyres down.
Better?
You launch heats better.
Yeah.
I forgot to turn off traction control as the lights were going. I'm like, fuck, hit it. And I did get a launch, but that's why I was way back.
Yeah. I got a bit of wheel hop on that one.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. That's weird. Well, that was exciting. Screwing it up. loss of tyre pressure. What do you think my tyre pressure is? It literally doesn't say. How do you know I've got a loss of tyre pressure if you can't even tell what tyre pressure I have? Oh, my vehicle is steering for me. Now that is, again, one of the, I wouldn't even call it a benefit because it's obviously completely pointless, but yeah, when you finish doing a drag race in your RS3, you can let it steer for you because it's got a camera that can steer for you. Not very well though, just trying to hit the wall. Air conditioning, heated seats, not really.
What do you reckon about that one?
Well, what seemed like it still hops me.
Still, probably not enough time on the launch either, you reckon?
Yeah.
Because you were just like, only just got to it and then it went? Like, yeah. So you got an 11.8, but yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was a lot more hectic than I was expecting it to be. I don't know why the hell they sent 3 people out of the same lane. That was very confusing.
That went crazy though, because they sent 3 people out of the same lane. I didn't even have the helmet on. Like, I couldn't put my cameras on.
Where is he? Here he comes. That's with you, though.
So he makes a very nice noise. Yeah. Even though I got cracked in one, like, it wasn't lined up right. I still think that might be my best time so far. 61, 62?
11.73. Oh, with a shit 60 foot.
Yeah, 12.0. Every friggin' time. 12.0 every single time.
On 16, yeah, so 11.7.
11.7, that's not bad.
Well, look at the 60 foot, terrible. Yeah.
Yeah, mine too. Mine 0.8.
60 foot. If that was the 60 foot like I got in the other run, it would have been 11.6.
Yeah,
for sure.